Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to troubleshoot something went wrong 1076 error code on Gemini. So first, go ahead and start a new chat. If the error only appears in one conversation, that chat might be corrupted or have exceeded its processing limits, so you can refresh, reload the page as well. This can often resolve temporary glitches. Another thing you can do is you can switch between Gemini models. This can force Gemini to create new processing session. So click on this drop-down menu and you have different versions of Gemini that you can go for. Also clear the Gemini's cache. Clear the cookies and site data icon. For that, if you're using your Google Chrome, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to settings, go to privacy and security and select delete browsing data. Select cached images and files and the time range, then tap on delete data. Come back, refresh Gemini, or you can also log in out of your account and log back in. Also try the incognito mode. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select new incognito mode. And here, go to Gemini website and try using it. Also disable browser extensions. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your web browser. From here, go ahead and select extensions and then select manage extensions. Now remove or disable any extension that might be causing the problem or you no longer use. Following these steps should resolve the something went wrong 1076 error. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.